Hello, guys. Welcome to Creativity Speaks on a new day with a new dream. I hope you guys are doing fine. These days are not so good due to the coronavirus pandemic. Still, we need to enjoy the life that the nature has gifted to us. Today's video is an art of a dragonfly.
I never saw it coming. I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, 'cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. 'Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you. It's time for you to go. Saw it coming. I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, 'cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. 'Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you. It's time for you to go. I never saw it coming. I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, 'cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. 'Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you. It's time for you to go. time I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, 'cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. 'Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you, it's time for you to go. Oh, you, I had enough. I don't want you, it's time for you to go. I never saw it coming. I couldn't read the signs. I don't know why I let you in this time. I must be blind. I guess I couldn't trust you, 'cause all you did was lie. Oh no, I have to keep you off my mind. 'Cause of you, I'm wired up. I don't want you, it's time for you to go. Oh, you, I had enough. I don't want you, it's time for you to go.
I think it all came back when I was looking back at you. Oh, how I've missed those sights. You must have missed mine too. Did you breathe me in? If you would only know that you hit my air.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. My next video will be on the real time of this Art of a Dragonfly series. If you want to get notified for those videos instantly, don't forget to press the bell icon. So for today, this is it, guys. See you in the next video. Stay safe. Lots of love.
Like